everybody, my name's Brittany Balyn and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome, nice to meet you. How's your day going? Today is the first time in such a long time that I'm filming on my actual nice camera. I feel like it's been like 6 months. Do we notice a quality difference? I almost like my cheaper, easier to use camera's aesthetic, which is why I have been using it. I might be crazy. Do we like this better? Also, this is gonna be my last video with this hair. Say goodbye to it. I'm getting it done tomorrow. What do you think it's gonna be? Can you guess? Can you guess? I am so ready for a change, but I'm glad I didn't because it matches my makeup so well, which you are about to see. I created today's look with my, new Boxycharm July box, which is casually upside down. I would like to give a big thank you to Boxycharm. They are sponsoring today's video. They did gift me this box, but I'm gonna let you know all my honest thoughts and opinions on everything inside. If you have never heard of Boxycharm, it is just a monthly subscription box. It is $21 a month, but the contents inside add up to usually over $100. Like always, I'm gonna add up everything inside my box and see how much this guy is worth, which is empty because I've been using all the products already. But now it's time for you to see them in action. So let's get on with today's look. The first thing I use from my box is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It retails for $35, and I forgot to mention the theme of this month's box is Au Natural. So we're gonna get natural vibes in this month's box. This mask has avocado and broccoli in it. It has kind of like, I guess, a little bit of a veggie green juice scent to it. It doesn't look like it, but it feels like the Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Mask. I've only used it this one time and it's very hydrating. Again, it reminds me of the Thirsty Mud Mask. It does say to use this mask twice a week, so maybe I'll notice the radiance building up over time, but right now it was just like a very hydrating base before my makeup. Next up, I used the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. This retails for $32 and it has like a good kind of like earthy neutral with a pop of blue. This blue color I am so obsessed with in this palette because it matches my hair perfectly, which is why I'm glad I haven't changed it yet for this video. In this palette, you get 4 shimmers and then 2 mattes. There's not a great transition color in this palette, but that's not a huge deal for me because I already kind of have my go-to transition colors, which tend to be the bronzer I'm using for that day, which is what I use as kind of like a base transition before I got into the shadow. The shade Enchantress was okay. It was pretty. It was just like a light champagne color. But I thought the color Diva, while looking similar, the gold in it was just really pretty. I think that's a really beautiful shade. And then I used the shade Temptress, which is a warm matte brown, just very ever so lightly in my crease because it is very pigmented. And then I did end up using Femme Fatale, the blue color in the palette underneath my eyes, which you will see in a second. But before I put that down, I used another product in my box. I used the Appeal Gel Eyeliner. I have it in the shade Forest Green, which I don't feel like the name properly fits it because it looks like a teal to me. This eyeliner normally retails for $21, and I decided to use it in my waterline. It is a very true gel type pencil liner than a dry type pencil liner. Perfect for putting on the lower waterline and then smoking out. I went back to the Butter London palette and I used that blue teal shade to really just smoke out that gel liner. I think this combo is so pretty. I really love this. It's a little bit different than doing like a straight up blue or cyan under the eye, which you normally see. I think this teal is like a little bit more sultry. I'm a really big fan of how these two pair together. Next in my box, if you noticed any of the brushes I was using throughout this video, anything that had a pink tip handle like this was from this 3-piece Luxie brush set. These brushes have come in Boxycharm boxes before, but this time for the Au Natural, they came in an easy to recycle packaging, which I really appreciate. And last in my box is this lip gloss right here, which I was gonna originally apply on top of a lipstick, but I'm so glad I didn't. I got it in the shade Dulce and I just like went straight in on my lips. And I think this gloss is so pretty. This lip gloss retails for $10. I like the kind of like opaque creaminess. It is a little bit tacky, but I wouldn't say this is a sticky lip gloss. And this is coming from someone who is just not normally a lip gloss person. I'm trying to break out of my liquid lipstick habit because I know it makes your lips just look a little bit dry sometimes, but I'm just obsessed with like the fullness a liquid lipstick gives. But I think this will help me kind of like mix things up and break out of my annoying, stubborn routine. And if you were wondering, this is how much this month's box is worth. I hope that you enjoyed today's video.
I have lunch that I brought for you. I have the greatest husband ever.
Okay, I'll be out in a second. And guys, that is everything. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a like. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe now and join the family and be updated every time I post a new video. I promise I won't go 2 weeks like I just did, but look at my Instagram if you want to know where I was for 2 weeks. It's so lame. All right, love you. Bye.